And we are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening here sa Pinas, wherever you are tuning in, or to those who will watch the replay later. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real for life, change and growth, one coffee at a time. So ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So today we're talking about the most dangerous kind of woman. And no, not the manloloko type. I mean the kind of woman you can control, you can shake, and definitely can't break because she owns her life. So look at Bea Alonso. Yes, si Bea Alonso, di ba? Gerald Anderson ghosted her, remember? But did she crumble? No. She stood tall because she has money, she has fame, she has influence, and most importantly, her own power. She's still thriving, still glowing, still winning. And also there's Chris Aquino, di ba? Chris Aquino, she had heartbreaks, scandals, health struggles, but because she built her own name, her own wealth, her own empire, she always bounces back. She doesn't need to beg anyone to stay. And even this beautiful lady, Catherine Bernardo, she went through a very public breakup recently, di ba? But instead of hiding, she came out stronger, shining even brighter because she has worked hard for her own success. She's not defined by who she's with. She's defined by what she's built. So that's the point. The most dangerous woman, she got her own money, her own time, and her own decision. She doesn't wait for permission. She chooses her life. And before you say, na-show ko na agad si Rawan, di ba? Okay, si Kathleen. So before you say, ate, that's not me, let me be real with you. You are not lazy, you are not stupid, and you are not lacking. So why are you still stuck? Because maybe you've been pouring your energy into people who aren't even building a future with you. Ouch, di ba? So I saw many amazing, smart, beautiful, kind women, pero hindi makaalis sa toxic. Bakit? Why? Because wala silang sariling hawak. No business, no income of their own, no say in their own life. And in this world, kapag wala kang hawak, it's so easy for someone to break your trust, your heart, and even your sense of self. Pero mga kakwento, that's not the end of the story. You can flip the script today. That's why I'm so passionate about doing this business. That's why I'm building this digital business because I want to be that kind of woman. The one who doesn't just survive but thrives. The one who stands strong no matter who leaves because she got her own. And honestly, that's why I'm so inspired by Rawan Radwan. Yung photo kanina na shinow ko. There she is. She is Rawan Radwan. She's a proof that a woman can build an online business from scratch, create financial freedom, and design a life that she fully owns, all while helping others do the same. So that's the level I'm aiming for. It's not just for you, but for your kids. So they never grow old begging for the life they deserve. They will create it because they saw you. You do it first. So here's my kwento for today. Stop clapping only for others. Be the woman worth clapping for. Be the woman who changed your story. Because the moment you own something is the moment no one owns you. So all right, that's my kape at kwento for today. Now take a sip, take a breath, and maybe take the first step. So thank you for spending your time with me again tonight, mga kakwento. So this is Rawan. She's really one of my inspirations in our community. Super, super, super talaga. Ina-admire ko siya. I want to be like her someday. At that. So thank you for spending your time with me again tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next live for another episode of Kape at Kwento. Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Here's my coffee. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you're curious or you want to learn more why I'm doing this digital business, you can message me. And if you also want to be like Rawan in the future, just message me and sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com so I can teach you how. Good night and God bless us all. And sabi niya nga pala dito sa picture na to, what if I told you that you can create earning from home without selling, without experience, and with full support. Okay, thank you again. Nasa sa inyo na po yan. Bye-bye. God bless us all.